Chanterelles with country-style potatoes. Boil potatoes in well-salted water. Drain the water, add butter, finely chopped dill and garlic. Cover with a lid and shake the pan well. We wash and clean the chanterelles well. Cut into 2 or 4 pieces, depending on size. In a large frying pan, heat the olive oil and butter and place all the chanterelles there. Cover with a lid and leave for 15 minutes. The mushrooms will give a lot of juice, this will allow them to boil well inside. Open the lid and leave the mushrooms to simmer until all the liquid has evaporated. After this, add more butter and fry a little. Place the chanterelles in a deep dish and place stracciatella cheese in the middle and finely chopped parsley on top. Mix and serve along with hot potatoes. Hi all! Today we are preparing a very tasty chicken kebab. To do this, divide the chicken wings into shoulders and elbows, wash, dry, add onion, a little salt, pepper, soy sauce, tomato paste and honey. Mix, let marinate for 2 hours. Then we string it onto skewers, place it on parchment, and put it in the oven at 200 degrees. We take it out several times, pour it with the remaining marinade and the juice flowing from the wings. Let's bake until it's such a beautiful color. Bon appetit and good mood everyone. Sophia was with you. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Incredibly delicious homemade sausages that can be prepared in just 10 minutes. Place 300 grams of chicken fillet, 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of milk in a blender and grind until smooth. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, Provençal herbs to the minced meat and mix well. Transfer the minced meat into a pastry bag and squeeze the sausages into a frying pan with butter. Fry on both sides until golden brown for about 5 minutes. What could be tastier than homemade food prepared with love?